Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network Salesforce Developer Tutorial. Topics what we are going to cover in this session, that is Visual Force page basic structure, page declaration, HTML and Visual Force tags. Visual Force is a framework that allows developers to build custom user interfaces in Salesforce. It is based on the MEC Model View Controller architecture and includes a tag-based markup language similar to HTML, which can be combined with the Apex code to define business logic. The pages are served by Salesforce and rendered in the user's browser. Page declaration. The page starts with the tag apex colon page and ends with this only by the slash symbol. This is the root tag and contains all other components of the page. So this is the basic structure, apex colon page. Here we are putting Visual Force content, and with slash we are closing the apex colon page tag. We can add attributes to the apex page tag such as specifying the standard or custom controller, page title and other configuration options. HTML and Visual Force tag. We can use standard HTML within a Visual Force page as well as Visual Force components prefixed with the Apex namespace. Visual Force components allows greater integration with Salesforce data and functionality. Starting with Apex colon page, H1 tag, hello Visual Force, exclamatory symbol and closing with same slash H1. Apex output text value equals to, this is a basic Visual Force page, and with slash we are closing this. So like this we are also closing the tag with putting the slash at the end, and finally we are closing apex page. The H1 tag is standard HTML. The apex colon output text tag is a Visual Force component used to output text dynamically. So to do the practical, just log into our Salesforce account. To create a Visual Force page, we need to click on gear icon, developer console, right click, click, open link in new tab. So here we are going to create a Visual Force page, file, new, Visual Force page, creating the page by the name vf underscore basic underscore structure. We can't give here a space, so I am taking underscore. Visual Force basic structure, page name, okay. Basic structure is coming like this only, apex colon page, and in the middle we have to put our content. So as we had seen in the PPT, we had taken H1. In H1 tag hello Visual Force exclamatory symbol, then closing with H1 slash symbol. Apex output text value equals to, this is a basic Visual Force page, and this tag we are closing like this, putting the slash at the end, and finally apex page is closed. Save this, click on preview here. So we supposed to get the result like this, hello Visual Force exclamatory symbol, this is basic Visual Force page. So if I am putting a BR tag within these two lines, so after saving we are getting the response like this. Thank you.